For these 5 home simple exercises, all you need is a mat, a resistance band, and some chair or elevated bench. Place the resistance band right above your knees. The higher the band is, the easier the exercise will be, and make sure you push your knees out. The band is going to try to buckle your knees in. Your job is to push your knees out, activating your side glutes. When you drop your hips, you want to inhale. When you bring your hips up, you want to squeeze your glutes as tight as you can and exhale on top. Remember, you always want to push your knees out. You can place your hands on your chest, on your hips, behind your head, whatever is comfortable for you. Perform this for 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps. For the second exercise, you want to be on all of your fours, slightly round your back. Bring your knee to the side as high as you can and hold it for 10 seconds and follow that for 25 reps with your band slightly above your knees. Repeat that on the other side. 10-second hold, 25 reps right after. Repeat this exercise for 3 sets with 30-second breaks in between. Remember, you want to bring your knee up as high as you can. When you bring your knee down, do not touch the floor. The third fun home exercise in this video will be butterfly hip thrust, also performed with a band right above your knees. You want to be on your back, feet placed in a butterfly position with your knees pushed out to the side as much as you can. You want to exhale on the very top. When you bring your hips up, squeeze your glutes and your hamstrings on the very top, and nicely and slow bring your hips down to the floor, touch the floor, and come up as high as you can. You can bring your feet closer to your hips and perform with the same breathing technique. Exhale on the very top, inhale on the very bottom. The fourth exercise will be banded walks. The name of the exercise speaks for itself. Stand in athletic stance, keep your chest up, and walk sideways with the band above your knees. Always make sure to push your knees out when you step to the side. Don't let your knees buckle in. It is one of the biggest mistakes that people perform with banded exercise. Activate your glutes. Don't let your knees buckle in, just like I'm showing you in this video. Another fun exercise is bended body weight squats. Keep your knees out the whole time in the same direction as your toes. You can keep your hands in front of you, behind your head, or on your hips. Come up and exhale on top. Squeeze your glutes, your hamstrings, and your quads, and keep your back tight the whole time. You can superset this exercise with standing banded side raises. If you're a beginner, you may touch the floor with every rep. If you want to challenge yourself, then try not to touch the floor. Perform this for 3 sets of 20 reps on each side. Thank you guys for watching this video. We appreciate your support. Please subscribe.